Right now, no, we'll be offering, I think that will be on the 16th of November. No, we'll be having seminar on the feed mill operation. No, yung feed mill operation intended na yan mechanitive because marami sa ating mechanitive ang problema palagi is in terms of what they call the feed cost na sobrang mahal. So one way on how we can help you is to have this seminar on feed mill feed mill operation and processing. And then baka by the end of the month of November na baka mag-conduct tayo ng training. Ng purpose naman is yung production technique from day old hanggang papunta doon sa marketable age. No, on December naman conduct naman po tayo. It is because na medyo marami-rami kasi ang kumokontak sa atin dito na kung magbibigay po tayo ng seminar. No, that seminar, no, sa mga medyo malayo, no, you can contact Miss Dana or the mobile number na makikita po nyo sa mga posting po natin para po at least pa-reserve yung slot, and then pag nandoon na po tayo sa seminar proper, mabigyan po kayo ng link, no, para sa online participants po natin mechanitive. Alam namin na hindi naman kasi lahat no makapunta dito, but if to those na may mga available resources na makapunta sa Iloilo, mas maganda kasi kung makita nyo talaga actual. And that is what I call the preparation that we are giving para at least kahit paano po we can give you ideas. Para doon pa lang, kung sa tingin ninyo medyo alanganin na, at least nandoon pa lang, kaunti pa lang yung tuition fee ninyo. Pero pag nag-engage na kayo, na mahirap na kasi yan mechanitive. Yung kung bakit na sa mga racers namin natin ito sa Iloilo, now we are keep on monitoring them para at least if they have some problems, no, mabigyan namin ng karampatang sagot.